How to unlink email from Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can unlink your email from Snapchat. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to unlink your email address from Snapchat, what you need to do is to first go ahead and open the Snapchat app. Make sure to log into your account and tap on the Bitmoji profile from the top left hand side of the screen, and then you have to tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. Once you do that, here you'll find the option called email. Now keep in mind that if you want to unlink your email address, you can only actually add another one and then remove the current one. So if I don't want this email address and I want to unlink it, I'll just have to tap on it and then simply enter the new email address that I want to use over here. So I'll just go ahead and then enter the new email address that I would like to use. If you want, you can choose others to find you by your email address and then tap on the save button. Now it'll ask you to verify. If it does, then what you want to do is to just go ahead and then actually open up your mailing application, and then you have to log into that specific email on which you enter the new ones on your Snapchat app, and then refresh it a couple of times until you see the email from Snapchat. So as you can see at the very top, I have Team Snapchat confirm your email address. Just tap on that one, and here at the bottom you'll find the button that says confirm email. So just tap on that one again, and as I do that, I would have successfully verified my new email address, and in a similar way I would have removed my previous email address on which I no longer had access to. And that's all it takes to go ahead and unlink your email address from Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.